According to the report, the new budget iPhone will appear next week. This occurs immediately after several delays caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. This new report appeared a few days after Apple announced that the next generation iPhone SE would be very similar to iPhone 8. Another post, citing Apple analyst Jeff Pu, also says some iPhone 12 devices will be released in October. This will not be the first time that Apple has used such a strategy. The iPhone XS and XS Max were released in September, and the iPhone XR in October. The Cupertino-based company has not confirmed the launch of the iPhone SE 2020. In addition, it is too early to confirm the release of iPhone 12. So take this report with a pinch of salt. Not iPhone 9 nor iPhone SE 2, it will be called iPhone SE 2020. Today's report came from MacRumors, which states that Pu claims that the long-awaited successor to the iPhone SE will be announced next week. We all know that this can come from nowhere, especially in times of uncertainty. However, the report suggests that Apple's budget iPhone will be called iPhone SE 2020. This is contrary to previous rumors that confirmed this smartphone as iPhone 9. According to the report, the new iPhone SE is an internal update compared to the iPhone 8. As a result, users can expect a 4.7-inch display with a Home Touch ID button. Under the hood, the new iPhone SE 2020 will be equipped with an Apple A13 chip in combination with 3GB of RAM and up to 256GB of memory. The iPhone SE 2020 will also be equipped with one rear-facing camera sensor. Thus, in the end, it will be the best choice for users who are not happy with all the changes made in 2018. Of course, although the reports say that this is a budget offer for the iPhone, we do not expect it to be very cheap. It is more likely that the price will be lower than that of the iPhone 11. If Apple really plans to launch a new smartphone next week, then we will see confirmation in the coming days.